this is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. If you're interested in learning basic terminology that comes up when getting involved in the markets, along with trading advice or tips and viewing live day trades, please consider subscribing to the channel. So I am all out of my first trade. I ended up taking a $75 loss here on SPY. So I am going to continue to look for a potential, another potential setup, and I'll see if I can come back from this loss. I am now in Facebook. I decided to buy 4 put contracts here, and I am anticipating that the price of Facebook is going to decline. Let's see what happens with the price action. I now have 1 contract left here, and I was looking for Facebook to move a little bit lower, but it is starting to bounce here, so I'm just about to sell this final contract, and I am all out of the trade for a $127 profit. So I am now up $52 for the day. So I know this isn't a massive win, but I was able to overcome that first losing trade. And if I happen to see another potential setup, I may consider taking one more trade. But you know, every morning is not going to be massive. Some mornings the setups are there and you're in and out within the first 20 or 30 minutes. some mornings are like this. You know, you may take a losing trade on your first trade, and then maybe you can come back on your second or third trade. It's really going to vary. I hope you enjoyed this live day trade, and if you did, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.